Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we'll walk you through how to onboard your Microsoft 365 tenant to ExSign. Before you can start creating signatures in ExSign for Microsoft 365, you'll need to register your Microsoft 365 tenant with ExSign. It will also start a 14-day free trial for the tenant. So let's see how to create a tenant in ExSign for Microsoft 365. Click the Add New Tenant button. You will be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. Sign in with the Microsoft 365 Global Administrator of the tenant. This is because the user needs to register an Azure app and, therefore, requires the necessary permissions to do so. Once signed in, click Next. ExSign will automatically start creating the Azure app, and in the process will display the app name and client secret. Next, you'll need to set the app permissions. To proceed, you'll be prompted to log in again to grant the necessary access. Since Microsoft hasn't published the app, it will ask for the necessary permissions to access certain resources in your organization. Proceed by accepting the requested permissions. Be sure to copy and securely save the client's secret, as it's displayed only once and won't be visible again. Then click Next. ExSign will then begin fetching all mail-enabled groups in your organization and display them for selection. Select a group within the tenant that will receive the signatures. Signatures will only be stamped on the members of this group. They will not be stamped on any users outside the group. Then select the tenant suffix and hit the Next button. The next step in line is the connector deployment. ExSign requires you to create 2 connectors in your Microsoft 365 organization. One is an inbound connector, and the other is an outbound connector. Connectors reroute your email through ExSign and can be automatically deployed while onboarding an organization. Before deploying the connectors, you'll be prompted to sign in again with your Microsoft account. Go ahead and complete the sign-in. ExSign will then display the previously selected mail-enabled group whose members will receive the signatures. Hit the Save and Review button. Finally, you will be presented with a summary of your tenant details. Review the summary carefully, and that's it. You are all set to commence your 14-day trial of the Microsoft 365 tenant. Contact us today for more details on ExSign.